Welcome to a new episode of Bacon and Bezels, and today is a very special day. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Islander Rangemaster, and it's a collaboration between the Urban Gentry and Islander Watches, and I've been watching their channels for years. They're huge inspirations in starting this channel, so the fact that I was able to acquire this watch was pretty amazing. It's 500-piece limited edition. My wife and I recently went on a trip to Texas, and on our way back, I saw this on Instagram, and I was going to wait until our flight landed, and my wife said, "You better snatch it up quick." And thankfully, I was able to buy it right as we were loading the plane, and when we landed in our destination, the watch was sold out. So very lucky to have gotten this watch, and we're going to do this unboxing here. Here's the box. It's a very chilly day today in Idaho, and very nice outside, so it kind of set the atmosphere for this watch. There it is. This is my first Islander watch. There's the box there. Very excited for this. My Grail watch has always been the Rolex Explorer, and this watch took heavy inspiration from the Rolex Explorer. So this is probably the closest I'll ever get to owning that watch, and the fact that it's special edition, and the fact that it's two YouTubers that I highly respect makes this watch very special. So there's the box, the Island watch. All right, let's get into this thing. Very excited. Ooh, I can already see it. It's peeking out there. Oh my goodness. There it is. There it is. Perfect size. Let's get a close up there. It's already running. Beautiful there. It looks like there's quite a few stickers to peel off. Might have to take my gloves off to peel off those stickers. But as you can see, let's zoom in there. There is the lion crest of the Urban Gentry, and up top there at the 12 o'clock, you have the Island watch logo. This watch beats at, I believe it's 28,000 vibrations per hour, which is a really, really strong, heavy beat rate. There is the lion crest on the clasp. Beautiful etching there. And I can already tell this is going to be a perfect size watch for me. Wow, I am thoroughly impressed so far. Let's get it off this cushion here. There is the watch. And this is just an unboxing. I will do a full review here in the next couple days, but I immediately set up my camera when it came. Ooh, there's the back etching there. All right, I'm going to take off the stickers and we'll take a closer look. Okay, so I took the gloves off so I could peel the stickers off. I already got that front sticker off there. Beautiful. They've really put a lot of stickers on here, which I like because I was a little worried with the shipping. Wow, look at that. Beautiful etching there. Trying to get these stickers off. There we go. Oh, such a beautiful sound, those stickers coming off. It's so shiny. Oh my gosh, this case back is fantastic. I'll try to get the case back in there. Look at that. I love how they etched it. They didn't cheapen out and just do something else. They actually etched it in there. It looks like a sticker. I have no fingernails, so getting these stickers off is kind of a challenge. There we go. There it is. I think I just have a couple more stickers to peel. There we go. All right. Get the box away here. Now we are looking at it in its full glory, ticking away there. Wow, that's a beautiful watch. The dimensions are perfect. It is a 38 millimeter watch. I believe it's 44 lug to lug, 20 across. Extremely thin. I'm very, very impressed by how thin this watch is. Just fantastic. And like I said, this etching on the lion just kind of sets the whole thing off. Let me do a wrist check here. I'm going to have to go get it sized today. Let's look at what it looks like on the wrist. Wow, perfect size. Has that Rolex style oyster bracelet. Looks a lot like an oyster bracelet on a Rolex. And I love the clasp. Just easy. It's got a milled clasp there. They definitely didn't cheapen out on this watch. It feels like quality. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light. Let's do the crown. Little crown action here. It is a screw down crown, 100 meters water resistant. And it is a true no date. It does not have a date function on it, which is really cool. Let's go set it to 4 o'clock. And like I said, screw down crown. I've always said the Rolex Explorer is the perfect watch because it's a simple, no date watch. And this might be the closest thing I've seen to a perfect watch apart from it. So that is my initial thoughts on this Islander Rangemaster.
What number did you get?
Oh, my wife's asking the number here. Let's look at the side. It is numbered out of 500, and mine is 125 out of 500. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it on the screen there. It's very small, but yeah, 125 out of 500. Very cool, and within the first 200 watches. So that is my initial impressions. We will do a full review. Thank you for watching, and as always, cherish the time.